We tend to take it for granted, but our bodies have the incredible ability to heal themselves. Now imagine being able to concentrate your body's own healing power in just one particular area, a torn tendon, a bad knee, that nagging tennis elbow maybe. Well, there's one local clinic that's developed techniques that do exactly that. Here is a look inside Bluetail Medical Group. Ever heard of a blue-tailed skink? It's a lizard with a fluorescent blue tail and a rather unique self-defense mechanism.
The predator will go after the tail, it'll fall off, and the little lizard goes running away, and that lizard then has little stem cells in the base of its tail, and it'll grow a new tail back. So the idea is regeneration.
Exactly the kind of healing they specialize in at Bluetail Medical Group. The 3 doctors here heal your tendons, ligaments, and joints using only the materials that are already inside your body. No surgery, no implants.
So your worst knee is your left knee?
Yes. Dr. Matt Bays is meeting with Arthur for the first time. Arthur's a retired dairy farmer who's dealing with some serious knee pain, and that's a serious problem because he really likes to stay active.
You have to tie me down if you want me to sit still.
After an exam and some ultrasound scans, Dr. Bays lays out all the options.
There's the aggressive way to treat it non-operatively, where we do a stem cell injection.
Just a few doors down, Dr. David Crane, the founder of Bluetail, is working with a patient who has elbow pain from years of playing golf.
He actually had a partial sprain of the tendon, so the tendon actually was coming apart.
Dr. Crane is injecting materials that just minutes earlier were extracted from the same patient. It's a procedure that helped Dr. Crane find relief from his own pain after surgery didn't help.
That's the only thing that ever took my knee pain away. So for me, it's been a true, godsend as far as what's helped my chronic pain.
Sure. But how exactly does this work?
Our body has the ability to heal itself. We know that if we cut our skin grows back. When you injure yourself, the body sends platelets to the area of injury. Stem cells get to the injured tissue say, hey, Mr. Stem Cell, I need to become skin. I need to become tendon, whatever. So you've got platelets, which are like fertilizer, and the stem cells, which are like seeds. And so you need them both to heal.
So for this kind of treatment, those platelets and stem cells first need to be taken from the patient's own body.
Can you brush your hair?
No.
Joanna came all the way from Poland to receive regenerative treatment on her shoulder. So the stem cells that will eventually be injected into that shoulder are first harvested from bone marrow that's taken from the backside of her pelvis. Then, that marrow, along with Joanna's blood, is spun at an extremely high rate of speed for a little less than a half an hour. That concentrates the stem cells and the platelets, which are then removed from the device and injected directly into Joanna's shoulder. Does it really work?
What's not to like about the procedure?
Elizabeth Green is one of many Bluetail patients who swears by this kind of treatment. She suffered from spinal stenosis, had a bad hip, but after her initial treatment back in June of 2016,
Immediately that night, the pain that I had from the hip issues was gone. I could walk, and I could walk without pain, and I could sleep without pain, and that's pretty darn wonderful.
and now Elizabeth is spreading the word. The day we spoke with her, she had a good friend at her side who, per Elizabeth's advice, had just gone through a treatment herself.
It's something I believe in. I believe that using stem cells helped me.
Incredible, right? I'm sure you have some questions. First of all, no, Bluetail is not using embryonic stem cells in these procedures. All the stem cells are taken from your own body. And second, as of now, insurance is not going to cover this kind of regenerative procedure. That could change down the road. But in the meantime, Bluetail is keeping costs as low as they can and offering patients several payment options. You can check out their website. That's bluetailmedicalgroup.com, or call them 636-778-2900. They have offices in Chesterfield, Columbia, Missouri, and Naples, Florida. Kent, I will tell you, a lot of people I met in 2 different visits out to that office swear by this procedure, says it's
amazing
finally worked for
technology.
them.
Yeah, that's awesome.